Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the music app and going straight to Listen Now or For You. Tap your profile icon to access account controls. Once there, choose Find More Friends and immediately allow contacts permission when prompted so the app can match numbers and emails to Apple Music accounts. This is the first actionable step. You're not guessing. You'll see suggested friends based on your contacts. Tap Follow on people you want to add, and continue to the next steps to widen your list. Once done with contact suggestions, you extend reach by manually searching for friends' Apple Music names or their exact display names. This works when contacts matching fails. You can also tap your profile, choose Share Profile, and send the link through messages or email. Ask them to follow you back. Make sure to check spelled names and capitalization. Mix short searches with full names to avoid similar matches. If someone doesn't appear, request they share their profile link and follow them manually to complete the connection. You finish by confirming mutual follows and refreshing Listen Now so shared playlists and activity appear. Make sure you and your friend both follow each other. Then review profile privacy and follow settings to allow sharing of your activity. If things go wrong, check contacts permission in settings, ensure both of you run the latest iOS and Apple Music app, and restart the app or device. One quick troubleshoot. Toggle contacts off then on again, reopen music, and rerun Find More Friends to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.